Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Taylor.
Nice to meet you too, Taylor. So, are you new to the area?
Yeah, I just moved here a couple of weeks ago. Still trying to settle in.
Oh, welcome. Where did you move from?
I moved here from Chicago. It's a big change, but I'm excited about it.
I bet. What brought you here? Work, family, or just looking for a change?
A bit of both, actually. I got a new job here, and I wanted to try living somewhere different. How about you? Are you from here?
Yeah, I've lived here most of my life. It's a nice place. What kind of work do you do?
I'm in marketing. I just started with a tech company downtown. How about you?
That's cool. I work as a graphic designer. It sounds like we might cross paths professionally.
Small world. Maybe we will. Do you have any recommendations for things to do around here?
Definitely. There's a great coffee shop near the park where I like to hang out. And if you enjoy hiking, there's some nice trails not too far from here.
That sounds perfect. I'll have to check those out. Thanks for the tips.
No problem. Let me know if you need more suggestions or if you want someone to show you around.
That's really nice of you. I might take you up on that.